Yo, gamers, and welcome to Channel Nova. Today we're going to be doing the Black Ops 3 beta. Why do you laugh every time I do my intro?
It's funny.
Oh, thanks, fam. Anyway, we're playing Demolition on Hunted. And Demolition has been in a Call of Duty game for the past 2 Call of Duties. So really hyped about being in this one.
One's up B. One's coming up B.
Then I can barely hear you, man.
I know, I'm sorry. I moved the mic away. But we're good now. Check this while running.
No way, I thought when you hit someone you're gonna stun them.
You know what they need to fix in this game?
Kind of does.
Getting fall damage.
Yeah, I don't like
We
fall
don't need
damage.
fall damage.
Although I bet you it's in a perk.
What do you mean?
It's probably a perk.
With thrusting though. Like, with
Yeah.
thrusting in the air, we shouldn't be getting fall damage. Well, think about it. If I'm in a gunfight, right? Like, I go around the wall to get in.
There's a bitch in the water.
Dude, the water is kind of
I'm in a
moving.
gunfight, I'm one shot.
Tango down.
Oh fuck, is that another one? You just pushed me off there. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
These are goofy goobers, bro.
Glitch powered up.
What's the best third perk? Blast suppressor?
Third perk.
I don't think Black Suppressor's even that necessary.
Awareness is good.
It really isn't.
What I've been using awareness because I
know
have.
what that is. I use gung
I have
ho.
Astros. Hey, there's a guy behind us.
Yeah, I use gung ho.
Hostile
I
down.
don't know. I don't really. I aim in with the red dot, so I don't really shoot while sprinting.
Ice.
No way, I got melted.
Gonna jump up this one.
Friendly UAV inbound.
I don't know. I don't trust him.
Yeah, fall damage sucks big.
Hostile UAV above.
Why you guys worrying about fall damage? It's just like every other COD.
There wasn't. It wasn't in modern or Advanced Warfare.
Yeah, Ben, I cannot hear you at all.
I'm sorry.
Fucking 60 feet in the air.
But Joel, if you so if you're wall running and then you jump down and you want to surprise an
Oh,
enemy,
that's annoying.
you're one shot after fall
Going
damage.
on. Finish
That's what's
this.
stupid about it.
Hey, we gonna win
Yeah,
this
I can
first
play
round?
fall damage then. See,
Don't
man.
push that too much. They spawn back
Are
there,
we,
Austin.
are we letting him plant one?
Alright, let him plan A, let him plan A.
Alright.
Plan A.
Okay.
I need to get a gun, so okay.
I just died with my M8 in that room behind you.
Threat neutralized.
Alright.
Alright, so we're
I'm gonna
letting.
head glitch on the bomb.
We're gonna blow it up, or not let. Yeah, we're gonna blow it up.
I don't know where it's at, but
Bill's being a scrub and
About it.
defusing.
I'm not defusing a fucking retard.
Looks like you were.
In your ears.
You got wrecked. Bill's just upset because he got wrecked.
Out.
Well, technically you did get destroyed because you died. By a grenade, by an explosion, so your body would have been destroyed.
Yo, your lightning strike just saved my life. Good shit, man.
why is there one behind us?
That's what I'm saying.
You sneaked out, bro.
Get him.
It's nice to know that Joel still has 10-year-old comebacks.
What? That's what then?
10-year-old comeback.
10-year-old comeback.
Especially
Friendly
Can't
UAV
tango
inbound.
with the Rango, man. I don't really know why I said that, but
Inbound.
yeah, dude, you don't have to make him so emotional, bro.
I guess.
You know, Ben is a delicate person.
Okay.
Ben, this is my camping spot, get out!
Spotted
Gosh.
neutralized.
I
Fine.
got war machine
You can have this spot. Although it's nice.
I've been here the whole game.
That's fine. You can have it.
Someone help me, I'm stunned.
You good? Oh, no, you're not. Cause I'm not.
Oh, I'm dead.
Yeah, I tried.
This map is really bad for spawn trapping, to be honest.
I'm not a fan.
Let them plant B.
Maybe on the other side.
Just kidding, don't do it. The other side we have to plant, so.
He's
The
dead.
bummy.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
They're behind you too.
Alright, good first
Good
round.
job, CDP. Do it again and let's go home.
I mean, let's be honest. Do we really think we're gonna lose?
No.
Not to sound cocky or anything, but let's be real.
I like the fade to black thing that does after the cooking. Pretty cool. Nice addition.
You like? Did you just say you like black things?
Oh, the fade to black.
Yeah.
Eliminate the objective.
Which bomb should we hit?
UAV
All of them.
inbound.
Let's go for A
I
first.
feel like we should, I feel like we should get B. and
Friendly
stop
counter
pushing away.
UAV.
Yeah, B is pretty hard to get, so I think we should get B first
Alright.
in order to get
Alright,
the
let's
win.
go. Everybody go a different one, go.
Okay.
Profit kill.
Alright, I'm gonna go on the bomb, let's do it.
Alright.
Bomb planted.
That was way too easy, to be honest.
These kids aren't that good.
That was way too fucking easy to get.
It's easier to spawn trap them at. I think at B actually.
That's why I said, oh, no way, no, maybe in the back right.
Yeah.
UAV inbound.
They spawn in the back.
Friendly HCXD inbound.
Let's go way back here.
Oh well,
Find
it's
this
okay.
little bitch.
Hellstorm inbound.
Outrider down.
They are behind us.
Wow, I did all that and he had fucking flash dragons.
Yeah, no, I got that one shot.
Hellstorm
Failed.
inbound.
Yeah, that's got it. Hopefully.
Through and wasted.
Point 3.
Wait, why do we plant the bomb so quick?
Care
The
package
way to get it
inbound.
over with.
We just
Doesn't
wanted.
matter, the time gets decided either way.
Yeah.
Outrider neutralized.
Friendly UAV inbound.
And that was pretty
I'm
shitty
done.
of me to do.
Hellstorm inbound.
Nice.
Not care
I
package
just want to
stall.
get B out of the way
Glitch
because B is really
And care package stall.
seemed like it was pretty hard to get, but
Friendly
30
counter
seconds.
UAV inbound.
Uh oh.
Overwatch KIA.
My game just froze.
It's nice.
I just died. Fuck.
that
Nomad
happened in my
down.
game too.
Yep. Does it say report a problem or whatever?
No, I got where my PS4
Friendly reps deployed
made
inbound.
me send them to PlayStation
Oh, I'm sneezing and still killing fools.
Care package
a
on
report
standby.
issue thing.
I think I just said, did it say report problem thing?
Yeah, that. That's what I got.
No.
Yeah,
Just got that.
Inbound.
There we go. Razorback.
HCXD inbound.
Alright, well, just invite me after this game. I'm gonna go grab a snack.
Hellstorm inbound.
Is Canada in this game? Nah. Canada is in this game.
Friendly care package incoming.
TACOM. Dispatch resupply
Other
when
team?
ready.
What's wrong with you? What are you doing?
Friendly UAV
See what I'm
inbound.
doing right now? Why would I want to go try shorts on?
Friendly Hellstorm inbound.
Guardian ready
Is it
for
ready?
deployment.
Hey, are we winning this round?
Oh my ass.
Nah, don't win
Should
it.
we actually? Yeah, I think we should win that.
Yeah.
Actually,
We'll
no.
we'll win when there's like when there's like 40 seconds.
Oh, just go to overtime.
No, I'm good.
There's an OT.
Yes, they literally haven't done anything, either side of the map.
Yo, let's go
Wait,
to
how
OT.
does overtime
Yeah,
work?
Let's definitely go to OT.
There's one bomb you both have to plant it on that one bomb.
Okay.
The
Yeah,
thing
let's
is, so
definitely go to OT.
just so you guys know, spawns flip like right away in overtime.
It's true. We won't be able to spawn trap all the time.
Fine, we're just
I don't care. I want to drop 50.
Okay. Well, then we'll go into overtime then.
Look, better content for your video, man.
I guess.
I can't believe I just watched that happen to me. This kid is 9 and 27. Another one's 5 and 37.
Canada's still here.
Battery down.
Nah, he left.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Smart. Hey, behind you, whoever's in that building.
Friendly HCXD deployed.
I missed you, died. Never mind.
Damn it. Alright, I'm not getting kills anymore. This is weird.
We're out of time. Don't hold back.
Yeah.
Guardian, ready for deployment.
Chill with that.
I'm back. Are you guys ready?
How we doing? We're going into OT.
Oh.
I can't get a fucking kill now, dude. I'm getting pissed.
It's because you're bad.
Enemy down. Check confirmed.
Take that. Round winning kill.
Oh damn, it already
The bomb has
started?
been planted.
Oh, we
Planted
planted. Oh,
bomb.
the random planted it.
Oh, does it work?
Oh, no
no.
way.
Is this a thing?
What the fuck?
Is this how overtime works?
No, random planter, little asshole.
Oh, well the timer ran out though.
Guardian online.
Friendly
Oh,
Hellstorm
it
inbound.
didn't. The random on our team planted it last second.
Oh.
Literally last second. And he put a guardian on it. What a fucking,
Friendly UAV inbound.
what a bitch.
Is that overtime work?
I thought that's how it worked because the time ran out. The beeping stopped. So I was like, alright, that's how it
Yeah,
works.
that's what I thought too. I was like, alright, whatever.
Wait a second, is this how overtime works?
He got him right into overtime.
Some games do that. It goes straight into overtime without any intermission.
Dude, I fucking hate randoms.
6 and
It's
44
a
is
OTD,
pretty good.
Drop them.
It's the red.
Who dropped 106?
Kill.
No, 6 and 44.
I remember to like, comment,
No
subscribe, have a
match
nice
for
day,
us.
keep pro gaming, bye.
Mission successful.